Hi everyone, myself Shravya. I am studying in ninth standard. Today my first topic here we go is precautions to follow in the corona pandemic situation. Precautions to follow. Wash your hands when you come from outside. Maintain social distance and mask is compulsory when you go outside. Wash all the things which you will bring from outside, for example fruits or the other plastic things. If things like books are there, keep them aside for 2 to 3 days and use them. After coughing or sneezing, wash your hands. Mostly use tissue when you are outside and carry a sanitizer bottle along with you. Mostly prefer for proteinic food like fish, eggs, meat to increase immunity. Avoid touching your mouth or face if necessary. Keep your elbow or tissue. Clean disinfective surfaces in your home once in a while with space. Do not go to crowded areas. Avoid close contact with anyone with cold or flu-like symptoms. Here we go. My second topic is on how carefully we should be in summer. Introduction. Summer is a season in which the weather will be too hot because of this high temperature, and many people may suffer from dehydration, and some of people who are sensitive they may die. And many plants and animals suffer from water, and all water in rivers, ponds, lakes like such small water resources may dry up. This happens in villages, forests and etc. And let's know how some precautions we take in summer, and let's know what we can do in this season, because when this summer season starts, all the schools and some of colleges will give holidays. Some of precautions in summer: drink more water, because if you go outside you should not be dehydrated. We need to drink more juices. We need to prevent our skin from getting damaged by the sun. We need to protect our eyes. We need to take care of plants and trees and save water. We need to keep our surroundings cool. We need to carry essential with us while heading out. We need to avoid the midday when the rays are more intense and damaging. We need to take drinks like buttermilk to keep our body cool. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.